The Asset A10 offers a no-compromise solution in providing cost-conscious projects with a robust yet appealing auditorium seat. The same CPS hallmark of high standards is applied to provide an alternative style with rigorous endurance and aesthetic appeal. The A10 is supplied with an industry-unique lifetime warranty and has been independently tested and certified by FIRA to Level 4, Severe Use category. Our auditorium seating range is also accredited with AIRO acoustics and noise control, meaning an asset seat effectively reduces sound and noise absorption, a fundamentally important feature for an auditorium. An extensive range of fabrics, finishes and accessories are available to allow you to create the perfect look.